Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the bailment and pledge from the third unit. The subject is commercial law. Introduction to bailment and pledge. What is mean by bailment? The contract where the owner temporarily transfer possession of goods to another bailee of a specific process which is expected of turn, disposed and direction. That is called the bailment. Next one is pledge. The type of bailment where goods are delivered as security of the payment of the debt or performance of the promise. Next one is character classifications of bailment. The first one is guarantees bailment. What is mean by the guarantee? See the example. If you get the book from your friend, that is the first one, category of guarantee bailment. If the book will be written in the particular day or within a week, it will be surely you biller, the book will be written to you. That is the first one. Second one is bailment of benefit of the bailer. See the example, leaving a pet with your friend while the vacation without any payment. If you give your goods or your thing to your friends or your neighbor on the particular periodic, you couldn't pay any remuneration for that process. That is called the second one. Next one is bailment of the benefit of the bailee. What is the benefit have in the bailee? That is the third one, borrowing the tool from the neighbor for the personal use without any payment. If you get some tools for your personal use from your neighbor or your friend or your colleagues, that is called the third one. You can use and you can return to them in the particular period. Next one is duties of bailer. Disclosure of defects. Inform the bailee of any defects in the goods. If there is have any defect based on your goods, you want to specify to the particular person, to the bailer, for the take care of your goods. Next one is compensation. Sometimes you can compensate to the bailer to the like a remuneration or the payment or any exchange mode like this and all. Next one is indemnification. The bailee against the loss arise for defect in the goods. If they have any losses will be deducted from the person, you can claim that. Next one is duties of the bailee. First one is care of goods. Yes, of course, you have to care of the goods like yours. Next one is return of goods. You can return the goods from the particular periodic if it is complied. Next one is no unauthorized use. You couldn't use the bailer's goods in unauthorized mode. Next one is rights of bailer. If you are a bailer, you have some certain right to protect your product. Like first one is right to compensate. If you get any injuries or losses or any damages for your particular goods, you can claim the remuneration for that injury. Next one is right to information. You have to inform the goods any defects. You want to inform to the bailee in previously. The third one is right to terminate. If you identify any illegal activities or if any promise existing, you can claim the amount, then you can terminate the person. Next one is right to bailee. First one is right to compensate. Yes, of course, have to compensate the losses or any damages. You have to compensate for that. Second one is right to lie. The bailee has retain process of the goods until the boiler paying the charges or remuneration due to the service reducted. If you give the service after the period of the end, you should want to claim the amount. If in case if there is have any delay, you can get your right. Next one is right to indemnity. The right of entitle the insured by the boiler of any losses incurred during the bailment, providing the bailee has acting within the scope of bailment agreement. Thank you.